What's going on, guys? I'm Mr. Alan C, and today we're checking out the multi-pack clean release painter's tape, and it's duct tape brand. Gotta love that. So I've been painting, and I'm actually going to apply this and peel it just so you can see. All right, you see this wall over here? This was the same, but I textured it. I filled in the cracks, and I textured it, and then I painted it. What I had to do with this tape was I had to put it around these edges. So when I painted it, the frame won't get painted on. Same with down here, along the, I guess it's called, what is that called? This stuff, whatever it is. I covered it with this, and it protected it from getting painted on. So let's pull this open and apply some to some of these edges, and then we'll show you how easy it comes off. All right, once you peel that off, it kind of just wants to almost stick to each other, but not bad. We'll just grab one here and we'll start putting some tape on the next area that I'm going to paint. All right, obviously I won't be painting this door, but I will be painting this wall. So what you do is you push it so the edge is tight against the wall, and then you roll it around the side to protect that frame, so when I'm painting right here with the paintbrush, it's not getting on the door frame. Then when you're done, you're going to pull this, and I'd like to leave it there because I'm actually going to paint and I got a lot to do, but you pull it off and it comes off so nice. It doesn't leave anything on the door. So loving this product. It's working for me. And that's a quick look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.